What the hell did I hit?
You hit the painting. I'm like crying right now.
Imagine if the painting fell on my head.
That'd be funny. I'm kidding. Oh my god!
What the hell did I do?
What the fuck did you do?
What the hell did I do?
Oh, your foot.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
I'm not a whore.
Okay, I understand. You're not a whore.
You just threw my money.
I don't care if I threw your money. You hurt my head. And my eyes.
And like every single part of your body.
It's like the upper part. Just gonna relax. Hi, Sarah.
Who?
Hi. Hi. Am I being videotaped? Angela is a bitch.
Oh! Ew! Ew!
Don't touch me. Oh my god.
Seriously. Stop it.
I never been down a pipe before and I was like, it's gonna be awesome.
Look at this road fall. That is so hot,
Huh? Huh?
bro.